Welcome back. My first guest on the show is M.A. Baby, a CPIM Politburo member, even as Kerala has voted as part of the second stage. Thank you very much, Mr. M.A. Baby, for joining us. How do you really look at Kerala? What's unfolding in the state? Very different from the national landscape.
You see, Kerala always used to present a unique model in different spheres of life, culturally, politically, socially, so on and so forth. We have had the first elected communist government in Kerala in 1957. Therefore, briefly, I would say that the verdict from the 20 parliament constituencies of Kerala in the year 2024 would be almost similar to what happened 20 years ago, that is 2004, when out of 20, the Left Democratic Front won 80. I don't say that we would concede 2 seats to others this time, but a similar clean sweep is what we expect in Kerala.
Well, M.A. Baby, Kerala is a prestige battle for sure for the left and the Congress. 2019 Congress swept the parliamentary elections in Kerala, but that was a big exception in the national picture. Left got a historic second in the assembly elections, but again, that's an exception when you look at the national picture. BJP has not been able to get even one elected MP in Kerala. But how do you look at this overall?
You see, we want through this election the RSS-controlled BJP government led by Narendra Modi in Delhi. We want that government to be removed. And we don't think that removing RSS-controlled BJP Modi government alone would be enough. We need to detoxify Indian politics from the communal venom that has been deposited in every cells of Indian society. So it's going to be a long-drawn struggle so far as our perspective is concerned. In this particular task, we find Congress wanting. Congress is not realizing the seriousness of the communal poison that is being injected by RSS, BJP, Narendra Modi government in Indian society. Look at the kind of speech Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, the present Prime Minister of India, made in Rajasthan. And he continued with similar outbursts, uncivilized, uncultured, ugly tirade against minorities, against secularism. Then what is Rahul Gandhi's, Congress's reaction to that? You may recall some time ago, Rahul Gandhi said that RSS is for Hindu Rashtra, we, that is Congress, is for Hindu Rajya. Does Indian Constitution permit a Hindu Rajya? Indian Constitution does not permit Hindu Rashtra or Hindu Rajya, which Rahul Gandhi says Congress stands for. So Congress politically and ideologically is clueless. That is why in Kerala, where there is a left democratic front alternative to defeat and isolate BJP, we have been successful in ensuring that BJP or their allies are not able to get any seats in the assembly. Earlier, with the cooperation of Congress and UDF, they had won one seat from Nemam, Trivandrum district. In last election, we have, as we declared, we closed their deposit in that constituency also. So it is primarily the left which is carrying out the political ideological struggle against the communal venom of RSS, BJP, Narendra Modi.
Now, but just look at how many times Prime Minister Modi has visited the south, including Kerala, while BJP has no elected MP or MLA in Kerala currently. In fact, never an elected MP for that matter. Its vote share has seen a consistent increase over the last several years, with their top leaders quoting about West Bengal and Tripura and what the fate of the left was.
You see, the repeated visits of Mr. Narendra Modi to Kerala has provided us with ample points to discuss. His sweeping generalizations which don't have any connection with the reality. Then the fact that Manipur, where minorities have been dragged into a very, very situation of almost like communal cleansing. Thousands of houses, places of worship have been destroyed in Manipur. Minorities suffered terribly. Minorities retaliated also. But Narendra Modi did not find time to make a single visit to that north eastern state. Whereas Narendra Modi has made more than half a dozen visits to Kerala. This also we flag. Prime Minister is not doing his duty. He is not visiting Manipur and trying to console the people. Whereas he is coming to Kerala with his divisive politics. So his repeated visits to Kerala is only going to provide us with ground to expose the double standard of Narendra Modi. Then you mentioned about the decline of the left in West Bengal and Tripura. In both these states, against the left, all reactionary forces, including at that point of time Congress. In Tripura, if you notice, the entire Congress influence base shifted to BJP. Left almost maintained its influence. So Congress transforming itself as BJP in Tripura, and other reactionary forces rallying behind them. That's what made the change. In West Bengal, Congress transformed into Trinamool Congress and aligned with BJP.
So between all of this, you have the Team A, Team B allegations. Is this because you have to justify the national stand? And I'm asking you because, you know, left claims Congress is Team B of BJP. Congress claims left is Team B of BJP. And look at the recent development about the left leader E.P. Jayarajan meeting Prakash Javadekar.
You see, the KPCC president, Mr. K. Sudhakaran, who happens to be the sitting MP in Kannur, and he is again contesting to the Lok Sabha from Kannur. On public record, he stated that he, along with his colleagues in Congress, they provided physical protection to RSS arms training camp. There are any number of instances which we can, recount how they move together. The attacks, the baseless attacks being leveled against the LDF government of Kerala, both BJP and Congress speak in the same language, the same epithets, the same baseless allegations they together advance against the LDF government of Kerala. So people can see that how they work together.
Well, thank you very much, M.A. Baby, for joining us. Thank you so much. All the very best to you and your party.
Thank you very much for having me in this program. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, and my second guest on the show is V.D. Satishan, the leader of opposition in Kerala. Thank you very much, Mr. Satishan, for joining us. How's Kerala looking for Congress? It's quite a prestige battle, very different from the national landscape.
We have finished well, and we hope this time 20 out of 20. Last time, as you said earlier, we lost one seat. Again, one of the Kerala congressmen defected from our side. So 18 out of 20 last time. This time we will get 20 out of 20 And last time we lost one seat in Alapura in a few margin. This time our AICC General Secretary, Sri K.C. Venugopal is contesting from that seat. He will win with a wonderful margin from there. And Kottayam seat, where the person from Kerala Congress defected from our side. That seat also, we will come back with a wonderful margin. So we expect 20 out of 20.
All right. Now, see, at the end of the day, the left and you are allies in the national picture. You are two friends. And it's a bitter battle in Kerala. How hard has this been to justify? I mean, if you look from a national prism as well as from a Kerala perspective.
I agree with you. But you know, Kerala politics, we have been fighting with each other for a long, from the independence side. Now, there is a platform, political platform at the national scenario because of almost all the political parties, those who believes in democracy and secularism, constituted a political platform in Delhi that is India Front. Of course, the CPM and other left parties are in India Front. But in Kerala, we have been fighting each other for a long time. But BJP, I don't think that BJP can open an account from here, Kerala, to the parliament.
But does this get embarrassing, Mr. Satishan? I'm asking you this because one of the very dominant rhetorics, and I asked this to your left counterpart as well, one of the most dominant rhetorics in the election campaigns has been about Team A, Team B, with scathing allegations coming from both sides, quite frankly.
Across the nation, the Indian National Congress is fighting with the BJP. Everywhere, Indian National Congress is the main opponent of BJP. The CPM or any other left parties are not fighting with BJP directly anywhere in India, anywhere. So in Kerala, the thing is, BJP's slogan is Congress Mukta Bharata. Unfortunately, the CPM leaders is taking a stand as anti-Congress. That is the meeting point. Congress Mukta Bharata of the BJP and anti-Congress stand of the Kerala CPM. That is the meeting point. And another thing, there are certain cases against the Chief Minister of Kerala and his family. Now the investigating agencies are here. But unfortunately, for the last 6.5 years, a major case against Chief Minister has been pending before the Supreme Court, the SNC Lavalin case. That is a criminal case against the Chief Minister, that appeal filed by the CBI. It has been postponed 60 times in Supreme Court. But whenever the case is taken up, there won't be any CBI counsel or central government counsel are not appearing. There won't be there any counsel. So there was a unholy nexus between the CPM in Kerala and the BJP in the national level. So that case has been pending.
No, but isn't this the irony? And I should bring out this incident of Rahul Gandhi also. Rahul Gandhi, other allies, Congress leaders, including other allies as well of the India bloc, they were seen protesting in Delhi against what they said was the harassment of political leaders, of how they were being arrested. Chief ministers were being targeted by central probe agencies. But in Kerala, he goes and asks, why hasn't Kerala Chief Minister been arrested?
He has never spoken anything like that. Why the Chief Minister of Kerala is not arrested? He never asked such a question. He said, for the last 40 days, the Chief Minister of Kerala has been opposing, accusing Rahul Gandhi and Congress party. In every day, his press conferences and his public speeches, he is only accusing Rahul Gandhi and Congress party, not the BJP. So after 30 days, when Rahulji attended a public rally at Calicut, he asked Pinarayi Vijayan, why you are accusing me? Why you are not spending time to accuse Narendra Modi or the BJP Sangha Parivar? You are accusing me always. I don't have any problem, but you have to spend some time for accusing the Sangha Parivar. And another question he raised that across the nation, all the leaders and political parties, those who are opposing the BJP and the Modi, the central investigating agencies are behind them. 2 chief ministers were arrested. They are in jail. But in Kerala, even though they have been investigating, still they are investigating. But not a single notice was given to the chief minister of Kerala. Why? That is a question raised by the Rahul Gandhi.
Well, CPM leader Brinda Karat and all have gone ahead and given formal complaints. They, in fact, demanded for apology from the Congress as well. But looking at the larger picture, do you really see Kerala gain an unprecedented prominence in what seems to be an ideological battle across the country?
No, I don't see that. I have already told you that there is a political platform against the fascist and the communal government in India. That is India Front. The CPM leadership in Delhi and the CPI leadership, they are participating in all the meetings of the India Front. Unfortunately, in Kerala, the CPM Kerala chapter is not with us. That is an old thing. That makes no difference in the India Front or the possibilities of India Front.
Well, thank you very much, V.D. Satishan, for joining us. Thank you very much for taking your time out, and all the best to your party. That's all.